Hello fam, and welcome to my channel. I'm out here with my partner in design and construction as we tour this 120 unit apartment complex under renovation in South Carolina's Low Country. This complex is under new management and is undergoing a complete renovation of all their homes. And in this video just for you, we have a behind the scene look at their progress and completion of a few of their units. The renovation includes kitchen remodels, bathroom upgrades, new plumbing, new fixtures, new flooring, and paint. If you ever wondered as an investor or a developer or even as a tenant what it takes to transform a multi-unit housing complex, stay tuned to the end for the completed move-in ready results. And if you want to see more behind the scenes development, construction, and design, comment below, like this video, and subscribe.